welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very glowy, super quick 10-minute makeup routine. This is for those of you who maybe don't have a lot of time in your day to be applying makeup, or you're running late somewhere, or you press the snooze button one too many times, but you still want to go out with a very fresh looking face and you don't want to be going out looking like a zombie. This is the video for you. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy.
Could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, hello, could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like yours. If you will tell me I'm the only one.
Starting off, we're going to moisturize with the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Next, we're going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect using my Morphe M439. Just putting this all over the face. Y'all, I had coffee this morning and I didn't have that much food in my system when I had this coffee, and so I'm like super jittery and super shaky and I'm like okay. Brows are done. That was very difficult to do because my hands are shaky. I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like to do my wing liner. I probably will chicken out and end up not doing it, or end up looking like a raccoon because I'm gonna keep having to make it thicker and thicker and thicker.
One eternity later.
And thicker and thicker and thicker. Okay, now we're gonna be jumping to the eyes. We're gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette with MFEO, which is this color right here. And we're gonna basically be putting this all over the lid. Since we are focusing on the more glowy aspect of this look, we're gonna keep the eyes super simple. So going in with that same R37 brush, we're going to be dipping into Buns, which is this color right here. And we're gonna place a tiny, tiny bit on that brush and then go in on the very outer corner just to give the eye a little bit of depth. Now going in with one of the highlighters that we're going to be using our face just to tie it all together. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Powder in Precious Petals. Taking my OG brush, I'm going to get a little bit of that and just place it all over the lid just to get kind of that shimmery, glowy look. We're going to be using that same Wet n Wild highlighter and placing a tiny little bit right under our brow bone, just to give that a little bit of a lift. And if you want even, you can place a tiny bit on the inner corner just to open up your eyes and make you look more awake. Now I'm going in with this e.l.f. eye brush. It's kind of a flattened brush. And I'm going to be getting a little bit of that same color Buns, just a tiny, tiny bit, and we're going to be bringing it down onto the lower lash line. Now we're going in with liquid liner, which is going to be extremely difficult because of the amount of coffee that I had this morning. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Oh no. Individually, they're not bad, but together, they're not good. Moving on, we are going to be using my Noir eyeliner. Ooh, did you hear that squeak in my voice? Going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Just giving these lashes a little bit of life. This is the best mascara I've ever used in my life, and I have tried a lot of mascaras. This really thickens my lashes and gives them a lift without getting them clumpy and stuck together. Okay, now because we are doing somewhat of a quicker look, we are not going to do lashes today. We're gonna stay away from those because ain't nobody got time to do lashes in 10 minutes, okay? So moving away from the eyes, we are going to bronze up our face using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Guys, this is the most amazing smelling face product that I have. It smells kind of like a little bit of coconutty, kind of pineapple. It just smells like a beach. Just smells like you're laying in the sun, getting a nice tan, wearing your favorite swimsuit. Ugh. This really is the perfect formula. It's not too pigmented to where you get a little bit and it's on your face and there's no hope. But it also doesn't have too little to where you have to just keep going in and trying to build it up more because there's nothing to it. Also, the color is great. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. It really is perfect for a lot of skin tones. It has a really wide range of skin tones that it could work on. We are going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Captivating, and just with a really, really small amount, just placing that on the apples of the cheeks, just to give the cheeks a little bit of color. And now for my personal favorite part, highlight. We are going in with the R36 brush using Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics and a little bit of that Wet n Wild Precious Petals that we used a little earlier on our eyes. Get a little dab of these and swirl that right on the tip of the nose just to get that little highlight, and then what's left over I'm just gonna brush up on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna get a little bit of this and put it on my Cupid's bow, on my chin, really any high points on your face, just because we are going for that really drenched kind of glowy look. Oh, I got highlighter on my leg. It's okay. And now last but not least, we're going to be applying some NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Ooh, let's put highlight on our collarbones. Oh, I don't like the way this feels, but it's so pretty. Oh, okay, no, I can't do that, I'm sorry. Okay, moving on. Well, now I have one glowy collarbone, now I have to do the other. Oh, okay, no more. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Go ahead and join the fam bam. We'd love to have you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, kitties. Mwah.